Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. First we use the color of blue. Kids, subscribe to our channel. First we draw the letter of A, and the next one is B. Now we draw C. The next one is D. Kids, the next one is E. And now we draw F. F for fish, F for fan. And now we draw G. The next one is H. H for hand. Now we draw I. I for eyes. The next one is J. J for joker. Kids, now we draw K. And the next one is L. And now we draw M. The next one is N. Now we draw O. O for orange. The next one is P. Now we draw the letter of Q. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. Kids, now we draw S. S for snake. And now we draw T. And the next one is U. Now we draw V. Now we draw the letter of W. And the next one is X. X for Xmas tree. Now we draw Y. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. We again use the color of blue, and now we draw numbers. The number of 1. The next one is 2. Now we draw the number of 3. And the next one is 4. And now we draw 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Now we draw 6. The next one is 7. And now we draw 8. The next one is 9. And the next one is 10. T-E-N, 10. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. Thank you so much for watching.